Listen, building wealth with no money sounds like a magic trick, right? But it's actually totally doable. You don't need a fat bank account, just a dash of discipline, a sprinkle of hustle, a pinch of patience, and then we could cook. Know what I mean? But before we get our pans and pots and our chef hats on and all that good stuff and get that all together,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the wealthbuildersystem.com. The absolute way to make more money, save more money, start your dream business by building a better you. So with that being said, click the link in the description if you want to learn how to make money in your sleep. Just sleep and just money just growing while you're sleeping and sleeping. Also, subscribe to the channel and like this video. So let's go, right? Let's go. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about how in the world can we build wealth with no monies, right? Starting from $0. Now, that's just like, you're not exactly going to be $0, but come on, let's be real, right? All right, so what you need to do first, and invest in the most valuable asset. That's you. Learn skills people will pay you for. You want to make more money? Become a walking, talking skill machine. Pick up coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or even some super niche skill like Excel wizardry. You know what I mean? There's always some type of demand for that. You can learn a ton online for free. YouTube University. Get your finances under control. Also, if you're tracking every cent like it's your job, you'll end up with more of these precious coins. You know, set a budget that works for you and actually stick to it. Well, most of the time. Next up, step 2 would be start a little side hustle. Right? Freelance, gig it, or get creative. Use what you know. Try freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork, or go local with some good old-fashioned dog walking or tutoring. And if you're thinking, what if I don't have any special skills? Think again. There's always something people need help with, even if it's just assembling IKEA furniture. I hate assembling IKEA furniture. Also, create content, baby. Have you ever thought of sharing your passions with the world? Whether it's funny videos, podcasts, or a blog, there's a potential to make money doing it. Plus, once you're up and running, you can make money while you're sleeping. Or join my team in the Nexus Rewards, and you can create a side hustle online that will eventually surpass your income. That link is in the description. But we'll talk about that a little later. Number 3, save a little, live a lot. Stack those coins consistently. Even $10 here and there counts, right? Soon you'll have a little emergency fund. Enough to handle a surprise, you know what I mean? Like a car repair or an overly enthusiastic online shopping spree or, taking the kids to get some sneakers, whatever the case may be. Also, you can use high yield savings accounts. It's like your regular savings account, but this one pays you back a bit more. You know what I mean? Imagine getting paid to save your own money. And no, this isn't a scam, right? Number 4, get friendly with credit. But not too friendly. You know what I mean? You don't want them all just all up on you. But just get a little friendly. Attack that debt. Debt is like, that friend who overstays their welcome, right? Start paying off these high interest debts first and politely show them the door. Also, use some credit card hacks. Cashback, travel points, yes, please, give them to me. Just make sure to pay it off every month so you don't end up paying double for everything. Use it like you would use a debit card, money you actually have. Number 5, get ready to invest one tiny step at a time. Buy some stocks, even just a slice. Investing doesn't require you to go all in on big name stocks. With fractional shares, you can invest in tiny slices of the big stuff. Think of it like getting, one fried of a whole order. It's not the whole meal, but it's some, right? And then as you do that, you want to plan for retirement, even if it's decades away. Look into a 401k or IRA. You know what I'm saying? You're doing your future a favor here. Think of it as buying yourself a first class ticket to chilling on that beach. You know what I mean? When you get to that age. Number 6, schmooze and network. Find people who lift you up. Connect with folks who get it. You know what I mean? Mentors. Like-minded friends, or that guy from work who's always reading finance books at lunch. These connections are like gold mines for ideas, advice, and maybe even opportunities. And while you're doing that, you want to try to climb the ladder one step at a time. Use these new skills to score a promotion or a new job. You're not just doing a job, you're leveling up. You know what I mean? So you want to get right. And number 7, let your money work so you don't have to. Reinvest to keep growing. So you started making a little extra cash. Awesome. Now, throw it back into your hustle or investment to keep the momentum going and going and going. Now, next up, you make money in your sleep. Passive income streams like dividend stocks, or renting out a spare room, or like having money printer that doesn't take coffee breaks. That's the dream, right? Bottom line, building wealth on $0 may sound wild, but with some patience and clever moves, you'll get there. Just keep at it. Even if you're starting small, these little wins and things like that add up real quick. So with all that being said, I'm a big believer in passive income because it's the key to gaining financial freedom. If we don't go to work, our bills don't, Our bills don't stop. Matter of fact, they only get worse. So while you're not at work, you're not able to pay your bills. So why not focus on building things that will help pay for our lifestyle, or helps create new lifestyles with less headache? This is exactly why I joined Nexus Rewards. So with Nexus Rewards, making money and saving money just got so much easier than anything I've ever dealt with. It's a membership site, right, that gives you cash back and discounts on everyday things like gas, groceries, and even travel. Plus, it's backed by well-known brands, so you know the deals are real. Not some run-of-the-mill bull. For real. And the coolest thing about it is that you can also earn extra money to help gain financial freedom just by sharing it with people on social media. So whether you're looking to save on regular expenses, make a little extra cash, or build a side hustle to gain financial freedom, Nexus Rewards got you. It makes it simple, fun, and super convenient, all through one easy to use app and website. If interested, and I know you are, click that link below, go to wealthbuildersystem.com and get started today. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for being a wealth builder. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddingwork Burke, signing on for how to build wealth starting with $0. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.